In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Trello board using Smart Import PowerUp. 5 minutes. We're going to take a CSV or Excel file and turn those rows into Trello cards in just a few clicks. Before we start, make sure you're signed into Trello and you have a board ready. It also helps if your spreadsheet has a clear header row like card name, description, list, members, labels, and due date. You may need board admin permissions to add a power-up. First, log into Trello and open the board where you want the cards to appear. Along the top, open the power-ups menu. Power-ups are add-ons that extend Trello, and we'll use one to handle the import for us. Click Add Power-ups, then use the search bar to look for Trello imports. Select Import to Trello by BlueCat, which supports CSV and Excel files. This is the Smart Import tool we'll use today. Click Add to enable it on your board. Next, you'll be prompted to authorize the power-up with Trello. Go ahead and approve. This simply gives it permission to create and update cards on your behalf. Once authorized, open the importer and choose your file from your computer. CSV is the most reliable format, but Excel works as well. Tip: make sure your dates are consistent, like YYYMMDD, and that the first row contains column names. The tool will then ask you to map each column in your file to a Trello field. This is the most important step. Map your card name column to card name and your description column to card description. If you included a list column, map it to list so each card lands in the right place. You can also map members, labels, and due date. For members, use the identifiers supported by your importer and make sure those people already belong to the board. For labels, match the label names or colors you use in Trello. For due dates, use a clean date format to avoid errors. When everything looks right, click the Check and Import button. The tool will run a quick validation and begin creating your cards. After a moment, you'll see a confirmation telling you how many cards were successfully added to your board. Head back to your board to spot check a few cards. If anything is off, adjust your file or mappings and rerun the import. It's often faster to fix and re-import than to clean up dozens of cards manually. And that's it. You've imported your spreadsheet into Trello using the Smart Import PowerUp. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.